Yes, first and foremost, let's try to understand on how to do the inside knotless. And now, if we are doing it, what does it help? So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how this method help the hairline when your hairline is very short, and how you can achieve it.
Morris, the Crochet Master.
All right. Yes, my name is Morris, the Crochet Master, and I work at Hair by Clippers. Yes, to those people who have been asking where I work from, yes, please, I'm at Hair by Clippers, so you can always search for it, and once you find it, I'll be there waiting for you. So today we are going to see something that is very, very different, and we have been doing it most of the times. And recently I had a client with her hair looks to be long, but mostly the hairline is broken, and I was like, for you to do something that is very protective for her, and that's when I come out with the inside knotless web. So most of the times, like I've been explaining to you, that when you want to achieve when you want to bring back your hairline, there's some things that you need to be doing, all those ones that you don't need to do. One, something that you don't need to do, it is to overpack in front, mostly like when you want your hair to come back. And that's why I've been telling you most of the times that if your hairline broke because of some products or the chemicals that you're using, it might be very hard for you to come back. But now, if your hairline broke because of braiding or weaving, something like that, it will always come back. So now, the only thing to make it come back, to grow back, is that we need to be careful when to choose the different types of hairstyle that we need to do. And then as the hairstylist, we also have to see what are the things that we need to do for our clients, because most of the time they also come when they don't know what to do. They just see something that is looking good, thinking that it can still do the same thing to them, yet you find their hairline is very wrong and they cannot be able to achieve that. So for her, she wanted these big braids, and I've been teaching all the time that if you're going to do the big braids, one, you need to have the hair should be full packed, like when you don't have broken hairline. Yes, and another thing, your hair needs to be strong. Like mostly when you're doing the big kinky braids, your hair needs to be strong. So on top of that, we need to avoid to overpack like in front. So now here I decided to do it this way because she told me she doesn't want something that is going to stress her. Then I chose to do something that is just going to be there permanently, yeah, for a while, like no styling, not doing anything. That's why like I chose to start it from behind going upwards like this, because when you have a problem with the hairline, mostly like all around the head, this is how you can always protect. You just have to do something that is going to stay there for long as the hair is growing back. So I decided like behind, I just plait it this way, and I know most of you guys know how to do this. If you don't know how to plait it like this, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can achieve this. But trust me, it is a very, very nice method that you can do for your hairline, and for your hair not to break. It is very, very protective, mostly like when we are using the kinky. I always tell you that kinky can behave badly if you also plait it badly. So that's why even most of our guys, like most of you people, fear to plait kinky, thinking that it is painful and breaks hair. But that is wrong, because we have been doing it most of the times and it is still doing something that is good. So if you can try to look at me, I'm just trying to measure these and I make a line in the middle. If you haven't seen it, this is how I'm doing. And I make sure that when I'm braiding, I try to be as soft as possible so that it doesn't hurt, and when my braid is also strong. So those ones who knows how to do this type of the method, we have been doing it even in cornrows, the inside cornrows. So it's still what we bring here to do it in this inside knotless way. So this can be done in all braid hair type. Yes, it's not only in kinky. Even if you have these synthetic braids, you can also choose to do it this way, and this is the method that you can always use. So this time around, I'm going to be doing the big box braids, so that yes, it's something that is going to last for her and protecting her hair, so that even the broken hairline that broke can come back. So this is what I'm trying to achieve. You can see how it looks. It is really very not tight. It's just as flexible as possible, as you can see. So here I just played it this way, and you can see they're going upward. So this is the method that I use, but I think the angle of my camera is somehow trying not to show you. But let's pick up in front when we are going in front, so that you can see. The only idea, I just wanted to show you like behind how I'm going to make sure that I play it there. And I'm doing this is just because I'm going to hold a puff. So I want the hair that is coming from this side to be looking up all around, so that when I'm holding a puff, it is all protective and not painful at all, because it is kinky and it is in the big shape. So this is how it comes out, just like this. And those ones who would like to twist it also, you can still start it this way, and then after you twist. So this is a very perfect starting fade in, yes, that you can also learn. And trust me, you will be able to tell me, you will tell me after that indeed it was very nice thing. So now let's see in front. I start with a small one like this, then I braid it this way, like that. You just have to put only one line in the middle, and this is what you start braiding with, just like that. You see, the only thing you don't need to do is to make it tight. When you make it tight, it won't it might be even painful, and even it might break the hair again. So you just have to be as flexible as possible, so that you don't cause all that strain. So just like that, and then you start braiding your hair this way. You can see like the hair is coming from inside very well, you can see. So now let's try to look at this last one, because now I see like that, at least my camera is showing here very nicely. So we just make sure that the line is only one line like this. Then we bring our hair and add it on this way. Just like that. It is very simple as in adding, and then you just have to keep on. Those ones who have been doing the cornrows, I know you know how to do this, and trust me, it is very protective, very protective if you try to look at it. So since I couldn't go this way up to, like from behind up to here, since I'm going to be holding a puff. So it means if I would hold a puff, it would be very dangerous to her hair, for her hair. So that's why I decided to do this the whole round, so that we can achieve the other look, you understand. So that is the only way on how you can do this inside knotless way. It is very, very nice. Those ones who love, who know, who would want to protect their hair, this is a very, very nice, very, very nice starting, like the new of fading. It is really, really very interesting. So I would like you guys to learn how to do it, and trust me, you're going to protect your hair very well. And still, this hairstyle can even do to those ones who like the hair just falling in the back, yes, not in front. Still, they can always they can choose to do this kind of hairstyle, so that it doesn't they can still do it, because it is very, very nice. Yes, no need, most of the times me myself, I always like to create something that is very no something that is simple, like something that won't give you a hard time. So now when you look here, it is all going upwards very nicely, like the way we wanted it to be. And now I'm trying to pull it. Since I used big braids, you can see how it looks. So we just have to tie them here. You can see it is very, very going there very well. And since I plated it all around going up, so here there is no pain at all, because they're on the perfect directions. Sometimes you can get that strain when maybe the braid was plaited going down, and then you're trying to hold it up. So that's why they always get that strain and that pain. So after doing all that, I'm just going to hold my donut here. Most of people call it in a donut folding. So after folding that, since I wanted something that is going to last, and then it is going to be on that position, so I'm thinking I just don't need to let it be like that, just like a puff. So I would think of doing something. That's why I chose to add on this crochet and see how it's going to look like. So I'm just going to be cutting it into three portions like this, so that I can add them on here, and they create something like a flower, so that my client doesn't look that normal way look of the braid and it is holding a puff, you understand? So that's why I chose to do something like this, so that it can look a little bit unique and fancy. So let's just crochet the whole head looking like this.
Oh, na, na. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, na, yeah. Oyagala okuyiga enviiri, oyagala okusoma enviiri, oyagala okusiba enviiri.
Yes, so when I'm done with that, I can still even crochet with my goddess skulls like that, so that I bring more beauty for my client. I'm bringing the beauty for the client, so you can see, even I can put some behind. I know when I'm doing this, you understand what I'm trying to do. So these are the things that we can always do, very, very perfect and simple for our hair as we're waiting for it to grow back, mostly like the hairline. Yes, with these simple hairstyle. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I work at Hair by Clippers. So those ones who want to know my location, yes, it is Hair by Clippers with Z. You can always find me there. I'll be the waiting for you. Bye bye. See you in our next video. And remember, for you who are still new on this channel, we upload videos every week. See you guys. I love you so much. May God bless you all. Morris, hey, Django Twiggy.